to the KMR Wildlife Program. Today we'll be studying the Tootie Bird with our wildlife naturalist, Frank Bye!
Hello and welcome to the KMR Natural Show. My name, as frequently stated before, is Frank Lamaho. Today we're going to be studying the Tootie Bird. The Tootie Bird once was prevalent throughout the United States, has been depleted in numbers. Prior to going on any further, I'd like to know, are there any questions from our studio audience today? Yes, ma'am.
Where could you find the Tootie Bird?
Well, that is an excellent question, ma'am. The Tootie Bird, like I said earlier, was prevalent throughout the entire United States, but due to predators, overpopulation of the predators themselves, wolves, foxes, wolverines, you can now only find them in the upper Midwest along the Crow Wing River. You try to say that 10 times fast. On the northern edges in the sandy beach areas. Other areas you can find them is areas that often look like they're pheasant territory. You know, the long weeds and the such. Any other questions from our audience? Let's see. Yes, ma'am.
Frank, do you think maybe today that we could go on a hunt for the Tootie Bird?
Well, now that sounds like a lot of fun. A Tootie Bird hunt. Well, I don't know, since they're so depleted in numbers, if we should actually hunt them. Maybe if we just go on an expedition. Would that be okay with you, young lady?
Yeah, that'd be just fine.
Well then, how about we don on our clothes for an expedition, and we'll go looking for the Tootie Bird. Welcome back. As you can tell, I am almost ready for our expedition to the Tootie Bird. Now, prior to our expedition, I would like you to hear a word from our sponsors, All God's Children Daycare.
Bring your child here any day you'd like. Open 24/7 out of the next 2 weeks. You can do games just for, you could be here for a week or you could be here for a day. It's, to get a hold of us, you can call,
What's the number? How can I get a hold of this wonderful place? 213 598 9169. Well, this sounds like a wonderful place.
Bye, see you there.
What a wonderful sponsor. They've been with us for years. Well, let us get ready to go for the expedition for the Tootie Bird. Come on along, everybody. Well, as you can see, we're out here looking for the Tootie Bird. Now, the Tootie Bird does enjoy the long grass. So we're going to quietly look about and see if we can't find a Tootie Bird. Now, the Tootie Bird is very distinctive. They have an orange head, and on the tips of their wings, they're very, very green. And let's see if we can make a call and hear any Tootie Birds. We've got one in sight. Let us travel and see what we can find. We'll stay low. Come on, I see a nest. It's just over here. Go and take a look. Are we in luck to find a Tootie Bird?
No.
Well, as we can see, this nest has been emptied. Now, I know there are some feral cats about. They do enjoy the Tootie Bird egg. Now, the interesting thing about the Tootie Bird egg is kids will find them and think they're their own balls and play with them, and they'll learn soon the Tootie Bird egg is an egg and not a ball, and it'll splat right open. So let's go on. We'll do another call. I think we have one. Follow me. Remember to stay low. Look here. You can see an orange head. We'll get closer. There it goes. Listen closely. Wow. As you can see, the Tootie Bird flies off, but not far. Let's check the eggs. Very typical. Very typical. We have a softball looking egg and tennis ball looking egg. Now when these hatch, the Tootie Bird, which is so rare in these areas, will start coming back. And we'll have another 2 Tootie Birds. Hopefully one male in the white, one female in the green. Well, let's see if we can get closer to the Tootie Bird. We'll carefully walk over to the Tootie Bird and see if we can get close. Now, look here. Here's a big Tootie Bird path. So let's take the Tootie Bird path. Oh, there goes our Tootie Bird. Very rare is it for us to see the Tootie Bird. Well, thank you for joining us on the Kmart Productions on the Tootie Bird. The Tootie Bird will soon be seen on every dinner table across America, just like the success of the wild turkey. Goodbye!
Hi, thank you for joining us with Expedition Finding the Tootie Bird. Hope you liked it on Channel 6 Kmart.